Hey guys, I have a little master lock. I actually have two of these in my naughty bucket. For some reason I haven't been able to open them. There is a nice high low on them. So let's see if we can get it open. Okay. Tools. With such a small keyway. I think it will work. Yeah, I could have guessed. Okay, so yeah. This is another one of those where I now think, why did I have this in my naughty bucket? Why was I not able to pick this before? I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.